R. To some people, it may just be another letter of the alphabet, but to others, it is one of the most powerful statistical programming languages in the world. It was specifically developed to support statistical functions that include, among other things, linear and nonlinear modeling, time series analysis, and clustering. Although R was developed to be used primarily in academic environments and is currently the most widely used programming language by statisticians, R is now becoming very popular in business applications as well. R was created in 1993 by Ross E. Haka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. R is based off of the S programming language, except for the fact that R is open source. This means virtually anyone can create packages, scripts, and extensions for free. This and the fact that most code written for S will run on R without change partially contributes to the success of the programming language. Now let's look at some examples of R in use. Rob J. Hinman, a statistics professor at the Monash University, Australia, developed a forecasting package for R that has since become famous in the R development community. Another popular example of R and its powerful graphic capabilities is this graphic used during Facebook's IPO, which was actually created by a Facebook intern. The intern leveraged a variety of packages and was able to beautifully graph Facebook's global social network. R has been used to map linguistic differences across the United States as well. This type of data has been used for a myriad of different business and educational applications. Here's an example. This map illustrates what do you call the miniature lobster that one finds in lakes and streams. In this map, perhaps the most important of them all, illustrates what the average person says when referring to a soft drink. The primary reason R is so powerful is because of the package ecosystem. As we mentioned earlier, anyone can create a package to perform different types of analysis. Statisticians, such as Hinman, create scripts that perform complicated statistical functions. This is really where R shines in regards to the academic world. Furthermore, R's graphics and charting capabilities are unmatched, specifically the packages titled dplur and ggplot2. Other packages include Biodiversity R, which has the ability to calculate trends in the environment, and Genable, which is an R package dedicated to the study of the human genome. These are just a few examples, and there are several websites, each with over 1,500 unique R packages available for download. R is also becoming more frequently used within the business world. Large-scale relational database management systems, such as Oracle and SQL Server, not only provide support for R code, but they have rolled out their own specific services as well to cater to those using the programming language within the industry. Most large corporations use one of these popular RDBMS solutions and therefore can easily write and implement R code. R is also popular in the business world due to the easy report generation and regeneration. Add-ons, such as Shiny or Knitter, allow business analysts to create striking interactive reports, all with just a few lines of code. Despite all the positive qualities associated with R, it is not without its drawbacks. For example, R was not designed to maximize efficiency, but rather capability. Memory management was not a priority in the design of the language. R was also not designed with security in mind, so data that passes through the programming environment might not necessarily be safe from those who intend to do harm. Finally, when compared to other programming languages, the actual R syntax has been called quirky and not similar to other, more popular programming languages such as Java and C. So, why should companies use R? First off, it is free. While it would take other companies years to create software to achieve custom statistical analysis, the community in R is open source and maintained by many talented statisticians. 2, it is powerful for real-time data analytics. Power users of Facebook often remark on how quickly they can clean and then explore data, as opposed to creating long and incredibly complex code. Third, the talent pool for R is larger than one might imagine. Almost all statisticians or data science students consider it to be a second language, and can be a powerful asset for companies when they are recruiting data analysts. Finally, it can be used to make time-to-event analysis. This allows the company to learn more than ever about the customer, gaining valuable insight into who's buying their products, when they're buying them, and why. The lines between academia and business are blurring in regards to data analytics, and R is becoming the middle ground. With thorough collaboration and feedback between these entities, it's hard to predict just how powerful and large R will become for data analytics, but it's safe to say it's a trend that won't